Hello there! Welcome to Proctored Exam Tricks, your ultimate destination for latest tips and tricks for proctored exams in 2025. Today, I have something truly amazing to disclose which no one can offer, a proven method to cheat on Examplify in 2025. We are going to explain Examsoft hacks and how to cheat on Examplify in 2025. I am going to explain step-by-step process of Examplify being bypassed and what are the best ways to cheat on Examplify in 2025. Stick around and you will find everything you need to know about Examplify cheating. Before going into the details of how to cheat on Examplify in 2025, we must know that what it is and how it works. Examplify or Examsoft is a software that is designed to take online exams with strong security to prevent cheating by putting your device on lockdown, creating a dedicated environment for exam, and restricts internet, so potentially making it almost impossible to cheat. Let's come to our topic and discuss how is it possible to cheat on Examsoft with such strict measures. In past, it was easy to cheat on Examsoft using simple cheating tricks like using mobile, cheat sheets, Alt+Tab technique, and virtual machines. But after updates in Examsoft like internet restriction, it has become almost impossible to cheat on Examsoft. But like always, we have found solution to this problem as well. What we do is we connect with students' laptop remotely, just like our regular expert technician method, and then do proper coding to avoid internet restriction. If you are new to our expert technician method, let me explain how it works. First of all, our technicians connect with students' laptop and install our undetectable remote connection tools, and student will be taking exam just like regular proctored exam. After explaining the process on how to cheat on Examplify in 2025, let's proceed to the important questions which may arise in your mind regarding this amazing hack. The first and most important question which arises in one's mind is whether it is safe or not. Or is it safe to give access of your laptop to someone else? So the answer is simple. If you are in front of your laptop, no one can do anything without your permission. Because during these sessions, you will have full control of laptop along with remotely connected person. So it's pretty much safe. These methods are usually paid but mainly secure because those technical experts make sure that methods should be safe and secure for students. To get help for technical expert method, you can click on the link given in the description, or just send an email at given address and you can get instant help for your exams. The best thing is if you need help from this platform, you don't have to pay up front. You can pay after exam results to be sure about the service. I have answered all the questions on how to cheat on Examplify in 2025. And explained all Examsoft hacks. I also explained how it is safe to cheat on Examsoft in 2025, and what are the best ways to cheat Examplify in 2025. Still, if you have any question or have any amazing technique to bypass Examsoft, do share in the comments section. Stay tuned for more amazing videos on proctored exams tips and tricks.